Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can set up QuickBooks Connector to Woocommerce store. So let's get started. First, make sure you already have a working Woocommerce store on WordPress. Also check that your website has HTTPS enabled, because the connector requires it. After that, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Go to the Apps section, search for QuickBooks Connector by OneSauce, and click Get App Now. Connect it to your QuickBooks account. Then, inside QuickBooks Connector, go to Connections and click Add Connection. Choose Woocommerce, enter your store URL, and log in with your WordPress admin account. Approve the connection request. This will also install the QuickBooks Connector plugin on your Woocommerce site. Next, configure your integration settings. For sales, choose whether Woocommerce orders should sync as invoices or sales receipts in QuickBooks. Map your payment methods like PayPal, Stripe, or cash on delivery. Also decide how you want to sync taxes, either inclusive or exclusive. For products, you can map Woocommerce products to QuickBooks items. Or you can allow QuickBooks to create new products automatically whenever a new Woocommerce product is sold. For customers, you can sync each customer individually or group them all under a single Woocommerce customer. And if you need stock tracking, you can also enable inventory sync. After that, place a test order in your Woocommerce store. Check in QuickBooks to confirm that the order, product, and payment details are showing correctly. Finally, once everything looks good, turn on automatic sync inside QuickBooks Connector. From now on, your orders, products, and customers will sync automatically between Woocommerce and QuickBooks. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.